Weather Service in Mobile has extended the flash flood warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Orange Beach, Lillian, Perdido Beach, Alberta, Josephine, Caswell, and Mifflin. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama. The following weather